A grayed out Cashout button in Blackout Bingo means the app is currently preventing the withdrawal action. So the first step is to identify whether the restriction is tied to your account, your balance, or the app itself. By the end, you'll know which checks to make before reinstalling Blackout Bingo or contacting support. Start by checking your balance and the Cashout section inside the same Blackout Bingo account you normally use. If you accidentally signed in through a different login method, you may be viewing a different account profile, which can affect what withdrawal options are available. Next, check whether Blackout Bingo is showing any message near the Cashout area. A message about eligibility, verification, account status, or withdrawal requirements is more useful than repeatedly pressing the disabled button. Follow the instructions shown inside the app before trying other fixes. If there is no message, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. Then check your internet connection and try the Cashout screen again. A temporary connection or loading problem can prevent account information from updating correctly. You should also check the App Store for an available Blackout Bingo update. If your installed version is behind the current release, updating the app can resolve problems caused by an outdated version. On Android, you can also clear Blackout Bingo's temporary cache from the app settings. This removes temporary files without requiring you to delete the entire application. Do not clear app data unless you know your account is properly connected, because removing local app information can create another login problem. On iPhone, close Blackout Bingo completely and restart the device. Then check the App Store for an available update before considering a reinstall. If the Cashout button remains grayed out, check whether other account information is working normally. If your balance, profile, game history or other account details are also missing or incorrect, the problem may be related to account synchronization rather than the button itself. If your account looks normal but Cashout remains unavailable, use Blackout Bingo's in-app support option or official support channel. Tell support that the Cashout button is grayed out. Include the account information they request, and provide a screenshot if the app allows you to capture the issue. The main fixes are straightforward. Verify the correct account, read any eligibility message, refresh the app and connection, install available updates, and avoid deleting account data unnecessarily. If the button is still disabled after those checks, stop reinstalling the app and contact support so they can check the account directly. Like this video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo troubleshooting fixes.